What's up, you guys? I'm back again with another video. I hope you all are doing well out there. So today I will be bringing you a new palette by Bhcosmetics called the Midnight Festival palette, and it looks like this. This beauty right here that is holographic and also colorful. Love the palette already from the packaging. So I will be giving you a makeup look slash bit of a review on this palette. So if you'd like to see this video, definitely keep on watching. I've already went ahead and did my eyebrows so that way it's, it's out of the way so we can get to this eye look slash review. So firstly, I want to go ahead and mention that this is the packaging of this palette, and again, it is Bhcosmetics palette, and it is the Midnight Festival. Their new palette that just came out. As you see, it has like a bit of a holographic look to it, which I love. It really caught my attention from y'all are familiar with Aaliyah J. She's on Instagram Live with Bhcosmetics, doing a makeup look with this palette. So I was like, yes, I gotta get this palette because I, for one, love the packaging. For two, the colors, come on, like, what makeup addict, what makeup guru, we all need color, you know what I mean? So this palette definitely gave me color. It gave me some colors in it. Now I'm just hoping, and in this palette, the color payoff is A1, okay? Open the palette. It gives you a mirror and it gives you a protective, slip to cover the makeup. It gives you a nice size mirror that's pretty decent. These are the colors that the palette has inside, and they look like this. Very, very pretty colors. Very pretty colors. They're giving me a lot of different colors to choose from. And I was going to swatch all of these shades for you guys, but I don't think I'm going to do that in this video. Leave me a comment definitely if y'all want me to swatch all of these shades. I will definitely do that in the next video. But for now, I think what we'll go ahead and just do is we'll go ahead and get into a makeup look. And hopefully the colors that I do use for this makeup look will kind of give us both some justice as to if we like it or not. You know what I mean? So let's go ahead and get into this look. But I will show you exactly what colors I'm using. And we'll just, do a speed through, do a time lapse. And yeah, so you don't have to hear me talking throughout this whole video. And yeah, you can just get a feel of, we can both kind of just vibe with some music and get a feel of how well this palette is. So far, you guys, I am truly happy with the color payoff. As you see, I put that pink, then I put this lighter color. I'll show you exactly. As you see, I put the pink first, which is Mainstage. Then with that pink, I put the light, so very light pinkish color, almost like a baby pink color, and that was Experience. I put that over the pinkish color, and it somewhat softened the hot pink color, so I really like that. And then the next thing I put was Techno in the crease a bit underneath the pink color, and I really like how that looks so far. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to try to go ahead and cut the crease just a little bit, so we can go ahead and put a lighter shade in. I'm probably going to put, I don't know exactly if I want to try these glitter shades right here. These glitter shades right here. I don't know exactly if I want to try them yet. Let's just give it a swatch. Let me see. I'm just gonna go in. Oh, okay. So I just did a swatch. Look, that's that blue color right there, and it came off pretty well on my hand. Now I don't know if it's gonna come off well on a brush. We might try. For now, let's go ahead and cut the crease. And when I cut the crease, I usually just use my full coverage concealer that I use for the rest of my face. So we're gonna go ahead and just try to cut the crease a bit, just to amp this look up. Already tried to cut the lid. I cut it just a little bit, halfway, just so I still had that purple shade, you know, coming through. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the lid. Okay, so let's go ahead. I want to use this rose gold color right there. Like, I've been had my eye on that color since this palette opened, okay? I just want to use that color only. You hear me? I love a good rose goldy pink color. Like, yes, it is Fantasy. And we're gonna go into the right here, just before, we're gonna go in right before the purple shade. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. Let me just tell y'all, can I talk to y'all real quick? Can I talk to you guys real quick? Okay, listen. Y'all go get this palette, okay? The packaging sold me. I was like, listen, if the packaging is good, please just let the colors be good, okay? This is not a sponsored video. This is none of that, okay? This palette right here. Do you see this look? Do you see this look? You was watching how many times I was going back and forth in this palette to get this look? That should already speak for itself, okay? I am very, very like adamant about how many times I have to dip and dabble into palettes and how many times I have to use that certain color just to get that color that I want, that color payoff, but listen. It ain't like this with this palette. Like, I'm telling y'all the truth. I wouldn't bring y'all, listen, if I felt otherwise, I'll let y'all know. I am thoroughly happy with this palette and the color payoff that it has. It's worth every coinage that it took out of my pocket, okay? Although I didn't use all of the colors, I'll get to it. Trust me, this palette will be used, okay, in the summer, whether I'm sitting in the house or not, it will be used, okay? So I really like this palette, and the color payoff is, I'm just so in love with this look. I don't know if y'all have ever seen me besides my Pisces makeup video. This bold, I love color. I'm not afraid to use color, but yeah, I'm just so in love with this look. I'm so in love with how it came out. I decided to go with a nudish lip. Mind you, it's my favorite lip to do. But for this look, I wanted my eyes right here. Right here. I wanted my eyes right here to speak for itself because it's just so bold, it's so beautiful, it's so pink, it's so purple, it's so glitter, it's so glam. It's giving me everything I need. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys definitely check out the palette. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description box so y'all can just go right to it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. And until next time, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all take care. Bye.